Good morning, Jeffrey. How are you today? I hope you are well and you try to deal with the situation. I really miss our lessons in the classroom and I really hope to meet you soon. But we still have to wait for the decision. So, anyway, online lessons, that's what we need to focus still. So, today we are having a spelling test, so don't forget to have your whiteboards during our online lesson at 10:30, as we are going to have a short spelling test, okay, like usually on Thursdays, and some tasks for you. So during our online lesson, we will also discuss our new unit of inquiry. Okay, I saw your groupings. I saw your I saw the way you grouped the pictures I sent you. Okay, so the introduction to our new unit. Sorry, and I need to say that most of you group those stuff into similar way, and that's what we will discuss today. But you probably already know what our next unit is going to be about. So the task for you, there is a video on YouTube, okay? And during while watching that video, I would like you to take some notes, okay, on the information described in the video. There are two tasks. First, describe the difference between renewable and non-renewable resources. And the second thing I would like you to do is just to list 3 examples of each, okay? And we will discuss your answers during our lesson on Friday. So that was the unit of inquiry. That's the only task. And no English. So we continue talking about the synonyms and antonyms. So for today, I got a short paragraph for you. And I would like you to check the, the words and try to think about the synonyms for them. Okay? So first, you read the paragraph and then you can see 14 numbered words which are in bold print. Okay? And they are overused. So you can see that there are some words like, you can see the word nice used 3 times, and good, happy. So I would like you to think about some synonyms and just use them. Okay? So Jennifer and Loritz had a nice day at school. So you can say that they had a pleasant day at school, in other words. Okay? So then in the morning they listened as their teacher read a nice story. So how would you say nice story using different way? Okay? So use a synonym. The document that I uploaded on Google Drive is editable, so you can write the answers on PDF. And what's more, I uploaded that document into your folders, okay? So if you want, just check your folder and you can write down the answers using PDF and using your computer, or you can simply write down your answers in your English notebook or print the worksheet and then send me the photo of it. Okay, so 3 options, and the deadline to do that is Monday, so you don't need to hurry. I would like to receive that work by Monday. Okay, If you are a risk taker and you would like to do something extra, you can prepare your own story, a short one, okay? In which you will use very popular adjectives and you will underline them. And then your classmates will be asked to do similar tasks. So to replace the overused words, very common adjectives, um, with more sophisticated ones, okay, with their synonyms. So if you're a risk taker, you can write your own paragraph. And that's the only thing that is left. So yeah, area of irregular shapes. And again, the document is editable. So we can write down the answers here. Okay. So don't forget to find the missing length of some sides. And remember that if we want to count the area of irregular shapes, we should divide that shape into two smaller rectangles. Okay, that will help you to count the area of that irregular shape. So again, the document is uploaded into your folder on Google Drive, so you can use the editable version, or you can print out the worksheet and complete it, and then send me the photo. Or you can just write down the answers in your maths notebook. Okay, so different options depending what you want to do. Okay, so see you at 10:30. Few tasks for today. I hope they are not too complicated. Remember that if you have any problem and you would like me to help you, you can just send me the message using ClassDojo or email, and I can organize the Zoom lesson with you after our normal lessons, regular lessons, okay, in the afternoon or in the morning, up to you. So if you need any help, don't be afraid to text me, feel free to contact me, and we will meet online, of course. Okay, so see you at 10:30. Be ready for the spelling test. Bye bye.